write the piecewise functions for these graphs. So look at kind of your important points. Here, it hits at 2, and then it comes up here. So this bottom line, let's see, f of x, and we got our kind of sideways mustache. The first line is at -4. So this is like y equals -4. And that goes up till 2. So when x is less than 2, y equals -4. When x is less than 2. Now the other line up here has a solid dot, so that's going to have to be greater than or equal to 2. Now that's at +4, so f of x would equal +4 when, my face is in the way here, when x is greater than or equal to +2. So as soon as it hits +2 and then goes to the right, y equals +4. So let's try that here. Now this one does not have any dots. If it is looking like one continuous line, then they kind of just glide into each other here. So it would be like a solid dot from that point. But let's see kind of where it changes directions here. So the scale here is going by 2's, so I'm going to assume that this is at 5, right? So if we said f of x equals, the first part's going to be for when x, I'm going to write this larger. So we'll say f of x equals squiggly do something when x is less than 5. And then it changes when x is greater than or equal to 5. So it doesn't matter. You're not going to say x is less than or equal to 5 and greater than or equal to 5. We're just going to go with greater than or equal to 5. So if they were in two different chunks, then you would see the dots, but they kind of play off of each other here. So we need to figure out this equation for this left line. So I see that it intersects at -3, so y equals something x minus 3. We need the slope, so we can just kind of count off the slope. Let's see, we just need to find a couple points here. So like here to here, it's going up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 over 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 over 8 would reduce to 5/4. So that would be the first equation. Y equals 5/4 x minus 3 when x is less than or 5. And then as soon as it hits 5, we need a new equation here. So the slope, let's see, this is going from 3 to 4. So that's up 1 over 3. So the slope of that one is going to be 1/3. Now we don't know what the y-intercept is, but we can kind of trace that back. Keep going down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3. Oh wow. Oh wait, I didn't go over 3. Down 1 over 3 would be here. Wow, it's going to be a tough equation. So I don't know what the b is, so we're going to have to use a different form. Let's use like point slope form. So let's see, we know our slope is 1/3. We can take any one of the coordinates. So I see the coordinate 5, 3 to be y minus 3 equals 1/3 x minus 5. This is a doozy. If we distribute that, it'd be 1/3 x minus 5/3. Now, I'm going to have to add this 3 in a minute, which I'm going to write as 9/3. I'd be really shocked if I gave you a problem this hard. So we'll add the 9/3 to both sides. -5/3 plus 9/3 would be 4/3. So we'd have 1/3 x plus 4/3. Wow. That was ridiculous.